everyone, welcome back to my channel. Got another enveloping video for you. I got really lucky. 2 pens from BFF Diamond Painting Pens in 2 weeks. First one, of course, I sent to Mrs. Unicorn because she didn't have any acrylic pens yet and she really wanted one, and I figured, why not? I love her so much and I wanted to give her something nice, so I sent her my last one that I won, and I saw how happy it made her, and it made me really happy, made me smile. So my heart was happy. But then that very same night, well, no, I guess not the same night she uploaded her video, I guess it was this past Monday night, I won this one, or won the chance to buy this one, actually. Because with my BFF Diamond Painting Pens, I love the way he does his. Like, he already has the pens made, and you just comment my BFF. When he does a mass drop, he'll just post pictures of all the ones that are available, the name of them, how much they are, and that kind of thing. And then you just comment on that particular one you want, or the ones that you want, and you can actually be eligible to get more than one at a time. And you just comment my BFF underneath, and then he will assign comments, or assign numbers to the comments in the order at which they were posted. And then he will do a random number generator and let you know if your number popped up. He'll mention you in a comment, and you can PM him your email address if he doesn't already have it, and he will send you an invoice by PayPal. You pay for the pen, which, you know, $25–30 bucks. You know, they're not super expensive, about average price for a pen. But the best thing about it is the pens are already made. It's not just a picture of a pen like it. You're getting the pen that's in the picture. It's already made, ready to ship. He'll ask you what type of tip you want on the other end, because every one of them comes with a one placer, and he'll ask you what other type of tip you want on the other end, like from straighteners to multi-placers, maybe even another single placer if you want. And so, yeah, it's already ready to ship. As soon as you send him your money through PayPal and it's paid, he'll send you back your tracking number. He prints it out right away and sends you back your tracking number, and it's on its way. Now, they come out of Reno, Nevada, and I won it Monday night and sent him the payment as soon as I won the pen. And today is Thursday, and it arrived here today from Reno, Nevada. So really fast shipping. Like I said, he prints the shipping label out the night you pay for it. If you win it that night, you pay for it that night, you get the shipping label and tracking information that night. Very fast. I plan on trying to get more pens from him. I absolutely love it. My BFF Diamond Painting Pens are on Facebook. I'll provide the link down below for you. And so let's get this one open and see what it looks like, shall we? I love it. 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 Now, I'm not exactly sure what the name of this one is anymore. I can't remember. I'll look that up and I'll get it for you here when I get done enveloping. Unfortunately, he doesn't provide 4-placers, or I would get a 4-placer with all of my pens, because I love 4-placers, but I have a whole bag of 4-placers anyway. Yeah, envelope, yeah, don't need it. Just get rid of it. Okay, here it is. Let's take a look. It's nicely wrapped in bubble wrap. It's, you know, you can tear the top off. And then it's got tissue paper underneath. And there it is. Oh, that is stunning. That is gorgeous. Wow. Wow. Oh, man, I love it. Look, that is beautiful. That deep shade of blue, that's my favorite shade of blue, that royal blue color. Oh, it's like an 820. You know, here's a pack of 820s. It's almost the same color as the 820s. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. It's got that mesh on the inside, and I even turned on the light pad with my arm by accident. And I got it with the single placer, of course, and a 6-placer on the back end. And I like that he uses the nice clear 6-placer. That really complements the pen a lot. Let me turn that light pad off. There we go. absolutely gorgeous. The name of this pen is let me find it. Let me find it. BFF Diamond Painting Pens. There we go. And let me just search for me in here. If I search for me, I'll find it. Yep, there it is. This pen is called Blue Hawaii. There's the picture of the pen that he sent me. And let me turn it over this way, and we'll rotate it around, and you will see that it is actually the same pen that's in the picture. Obviously his camera takes the pictures backwards, I think. But yeah, it's the same pen. It is just stunning. I absolutely love it. So yeah, it's called Blue Hawaii. And I dressed it in a 6-placer. He does do, it's got a 1-placer, and you get to choose another single placer, or a 3, 6, or 9 placer, or a 3, 6, or 12 straightener. So that's how his works. So there is Blue Hawaii. Absolutely stunning. I love it. I love it. I love it. I can't wait to use it. I will start using this one this evening. Again, it's nicely cut. Got a nice little dimple there for you to put your finger in when you're painting, and your pen won't slip with like I am. I'm heavy-handed. I press hard on my drills when I put them down, and it won't slip through my fingers like that. So I can push up on it. And the tips, of course, like any other diamond painting pen, the tips are removable. You can pop them out and pop a new one in if you need to. The single placer may take something to grip it with, but yeah, there it is. Absolutely stunning. Once again, I am blown away. So there it is, y'all. I've got another unboxing to do here soon. I just got a four diamond painting set of 4 small ones that all go together, and I have not unbagged it. I received it yesterday. I've got to do another video for that one, so I will do that video very soon, and until then, rock on, y'all.